Comprima Extreme, the new high-capacity generation of Krone round balers and baler wrappers. Comprima Extreme offers two baling chambers, semi-variable and variable. Comprima Extreme epitomizes a new concept and innovative technology that produces round bales of highest densities. The Comprima Extreme balers from Krone are made for the field. Comprima Extreme features the heavy-duty and camless easy-flow pickup. Comprima Extreme features the heavy-duty Krone X-Cut cutting system. Comprima Extreme features the heavy-duty NovoGrip belt and slat elevator. Comprima Extreme features active net and film wrap systems for superior quality silage. Comprima Extreme. These Krone round balers and baler wrappers are durable machines that are designed for continued performance in challenging conditions. Uncompromising quality. Krone Comprima Extreme. Big swathes, heavy crops and high work rates. These are the parameters for the camless easy flow pickup from Krone. Collecting the material at a width of 2,150 millimeters by DIN and using 6 millimeter tines, easy flow is a veritable high throughput pickup. The tines are arranged in 5 rows and spaced 55 millimeters apart and pick up every haulm, including the short ones. The camless technology relies on few moving parts and is therefore more efficient and lower in maintenance. With the EasyFlow rotor revolving at higher speeds, Comprima is able to deliver higher work rates and throughputs. Floating in its mounting brackets, EasyFlow uses gauge wheels that roll freely and follow every curve without scuffing and offering best protection of the sward. The crop press roller ensures a uniform and continuous material flow into the machine. The stronger EasyFlow pickup on the Extreme models copes with the most difficult conditions. The EasyFlow pickup and the Krone X-Cut cutting system merge to form one compact and integrated unit. The large intake and the close arrangement of the pickup and the rotor cutter combine to boost the machine's overall intake capacity. X-Cut is available in 2 versions that offer a choice of 2 sets of knives. 17 knives spaced as closely as 64 millimeters, or 26 knives spaced as narrowly as 42 millimeters. The double tines pull the crops consistently through the knives. Knives and tines are arranged very closely together, which results in very clean and controlled cuts, a Krone speciality. Should the rotor block up in heavy crop, the operator simply lowers the floor to the chamber hydraulically. This increases the cross-section of the feed channel for unhindered passage. The blockage is removed. In straw and grass, in dry and brittle, as well as in wet or high sugar material. Round balers are expected to deliver in any condition. To suit, the Krone Comprima Extreme balers use the powerful NovoGrip belt and slat elevator. NovoGrip combines the strength of chain and slat elevators with the quiet running of a belt elevator. NovoGrip is unique in the baler market. NovoGrip rolls and forms the material to solid and well-shaped bales. The extra wide and strong extreme fabric belts provide the durability and load capacity that suit the heaviest silage. The belts receive positive guidance by wide pulleys and large diameter drive rollers. NovoGrip is gentle but firm on the crop. As the slats mesh with the bale, they keep it rolling while the belts provide maximum pressure. The result is extremely high density bales, perfect in wilted and wet silage, perfect in hay and straw. Bale count per hour is what counts. Therefore, Comprima Extreme uses a net wrap system that wraps the bale in no time at all. The system is simple by design and offers superior functionality. The swing moves the guide plate together with the loose net to the feed roller, which feeds the net into the bale chamber, where it is picked up by the bale. The swing then returns the plate into wrapping position. The bale pulls the net over the stretchers and the guide plate and onto the chamber. The wrapping cycle begins. Once a selected number of wraps has been applied, the knife swings in to cut the tensioned net. Krone Comprima Extreme. Perfect wraps for perfect bales. The application of stretch film on a base layer of film is another option to produce high-quality silage bales. Film wrap protects the circumference and faces of the bale and minimizes the risk of air pockets and damage during handling and storage. Apply the peripheral film first all the way over the edge. Then apply the regular film. Using regular film and peripheral film warrants a better silage quality. The use of 2 layers of film wrap rather than 1 net wrap and 1 film wrap make it easier to split the bales and dispose of the material. The semi-variable Comprima F155 X-Cut Extreme Round Baler is a fixed chamber machine that produces high-density bales of 1.25 meters to 1.5 meter diameters. These bales are well-shaped and consistent in weight. Unlike the classic constant chamber, the semi-variable Krone chamber does not increase the soft core as the bale grows. Thanks to its straightforward design, the F155 X-Cut Extreme models is lower in maintenance, more cost-effective, and easier to service than a variable round baler. A unique and exclusive design on the global market, the F155 Extreme Semi-Variable Chamber combines the best of 2 worlds, the fixed chamber and the variable chamber. As the baling cycle begins, the NovoGrip fabric belts are running on guide rollers on the sides of the machine. As more and more material is entering the chamber, the NovoGrip belt and slat elevator alters its path, thereby forming a round bale. The NovoGrip belt and slat elevator is restricted in its path. This setting allows baling 1.25 meter diameter bales. The degree of expansion of NovoGrip is set on spring-loaded and telescopic rods. These rods provide a hole and pin setting system on which bale diameters are set in 6 increments from 1.25 meters to 1.5 meters. Depending on the selected bale diameter, the rods restrict the path through which the NovoGrip elevator can expand. The system now bales up to 1.5 meter diameter bales. Krone Comprima F155 Extreme, the fixed chamber baler that produces bales of 6 different sizes. Comprima F155 X-Cut Extreme, award-winning technology from Krone. The variable chamber Comprima V150 X-Cut Extreme round baler is designed to operate in contracting and machinery ring applications and in the heaviest of crops. It allows operators to select the bale diameter steplessly from 1 meter to 1.5 meters. Comprima V150 X-Cut Extreme not only excels in straw and hay, but also delivers best silage bales, courtesy of 17 or 26 knives. This variable Krone round baler is the ideal machine to perform in varying conditions and produce varying bale dimensions, baling small and large bales in silage, hay and straw. Smaller bale sizes are often preferred in grass silage, whilst larger bales are typical in hay and straw. The variable chamber round baler Comprima V150 X-Cut Extreme uses 2 NovoGrip belt and slat elevators with heavy-duty fabric belts. Both elevators are controlled by the same double swing. They wrap the entire bale, from the core forming to the finishing phase of baling. As the bale grows, the pressure increases to make sure the density is consistent throughout, even in big bales. The variable round balers are extremely dependable and produce best results even in short and dry crops. Comprima V150 X-Cut Extreme is the baler that ticks all the boxes for high throughputs and densities. The Krone Comprima Extreme series of bale wrappers bale and wrap in a single operation. Bale and twin-arm wrapper on Comprima Extreme are Krone developments where all machine functions and cycles are perfectly sequenced for absolutely smooth operation. Silage bales are wrapped immediately after baling. The advantage of this system is that it preserves the high quality of the forage and avoids contamination. Straw or hay bales, by comparison, do not necessarily require wrapping. These bales simply drop onto the wrapping table and wait here to be unloaded, in pairs, for easier collecting. The Comprima CF155 X-Cut Extreme is the only baler wrapper combination that uses a semi-variable fixed chamber. This type of chamber produces bales of 1.25 meters to 1.5 meter diameters. Comprima CF155 X-Cut Extreme features a very compact design. The gap between the chamber and the wrapping unit is very small. The bale drops from the chamber. and is transferred to the wrapping table, assisted by a sensor-controlled lever. Krone Comprima CV150 X-Cut Extreme is a bale wrapper with a variable bale chamber for selectable 1 meter to 1.5 meter diameter bales. The drive lines and the NovoGrip slat elevator on the Krone Extreme baler wrappers are heavy duty. Using 1.5-inch drive chains and wide rubber fabric belts, Comprima Extreme baler wrappers deliver maximum performance and capability also in heavy crop. The bale chamber on Comprima CV150 X-Cut Extreme is arranged at a higher position, and so the bale drops by its own weight onto the lower wrapping table. A sensor-controlled lever assists in transferring the bale effectively to the wrapping table. Two can work faster than one. The wrapper uses 2 arms to film wrap bale after bale. The Krone Comprima Extreme baler wrapper combinations work fully automatically and offer excellent operator comfort. All machine functions are controlled by separate electronic and hydraulic systems. There is always plenty of spare film in store. 2 storage compartments house a total of 12 film rolls and protect them from dust and rain. The table forms a cradle and has big bobbins to secure the bale on the table. The chain elevator and the wrapping arms are tuned in for best film overlap. At the end of the wrapping cycle, the wrapping table tips off the bale. The Comprima Extreme Series baler wrappers offer impressively useful features. For example, the optional bale turner places the bale on its left or right face, turning it 90 degrees into an upright position, which makes it easier to collect and eliminates the need to turn it when it is loaded onto the truck. In silage, hay and straw, Comprima baler wrapper combinations meet all requirements and conditions of the field. These applications do not require a film wrapper. Here, the wrapping table serves to store the finished bale and then unloads 2 bales as a pair for easier and faster bale collection. Krone Comprima Extreme. Technology for the field. The Comprima Extreme Series round balers sets a new benchmark in forage harvesting. Each Comprima Extreme bears testimony of a lifetime of experience and expertise by the market leader of baler manufacturing. Krone understands farmers' needs. The extra strong pickup, the extra strong X-Cut cutting system, the extra strong NovoGrip belt and slat elevator, the extra strong drive lines. The Krone Comprima Extreme balers are high throughput machines and deliver high density round bales. Comprima Extreme. Uncompromising baling. Krone, the power of green.